Hi everyone and welcome to Smart Culture Education. This is the place where we make learning simple, clear and engaging. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so you can join us on this journey of mastering maths, science and more.
Find the gradient of the curve y equals 3x squared minus 2x at the point 2, 8. So they give us the exact point. Any ideas? How can we go about solving this question? So what we are going to do first is we are going to find the derived function. Okay, so this is the original function. I'm going to write it down again. Y equals 3x squared minus 2x. And what we have to do is we have to find the gradient of this curve at this specific point. What I'm going to do first is I'm going to find the derivative. Let's have a look at the first term. 3x squared. So what we do is we multiply the power and the coefficient of x. Now 2 times 3 is equal to 6. And then we reduce the power by 1. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. So there's a little 1 there, but I don't write it, so it just stays 2x. Moving on to the second term, negative 2x. Remember there's a little 1 here. So what do we do first? We multiply. 1 times negative 2 is equal to negative 2. 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. And anything to the power of 0 is equal to 1. So this is the derivative. Now we substitute in the x-coordinates. Now, what is the x-coordinate? The x-coordinate is 2. Remember, this is the format that we usually write the coordinates in. So the first value is usually your x value, and the second value will be your y value. So now you can write when x is equal to 2, then the derivative of y with respect to x is equal to 6 multiplied by 2 minus 2. Okay, 6 times 2 is equal to 12, minus 2 is equal to 10. So the value will be 10 when x is equal to 2. So then you can say that the gradient at this specific point is equal to 10.
Thank you for watching today's video on Smart Culture Education. If you found it helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to stay updated, tap the notification bell so you never miss our next lesson. See you in the next video.